Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Norton 360 privacy settings and webcam protection, full guide step by step clearly. Open Norton 360 on your device. In the main dashboard, locate the privacy option on the left-hand side menu. Click on privacy to access the privacy settings. Under the privacy section, you will see various options such as webcam protection and online privacy. Select Webcam Protection to configure webcam settings. Ensure the feature is enabled to protect your webcam from unauthorized access. You will see a list of applications that have requested webcam access. Review the list carefully. To block an application, simply toggle the switch next to it to the off position. To allow an application access, ensure the switch is turned on. Return to the main privacy section after adjusting your webcam settings. Now, click on Online Privacy. Here, you can manage settings related to tracking and online data protection. Enable features such as intrusion prevention and browser privacy protection for enhanced security. You may also wish to configure VPN for additional privacy while browsing online. Select the VPN option if available. Turn on the VPN feature for secure internet access. Review the additional settings to customize your VPN experience. After all adjustments are made, close the privacy settings window. Regularly check and update these settings to maintain your privacy and security. You have now successfully configured Norton 360's privacy settings and webcam protection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.